Hi everyone, let's talk about Pioneer Power Solutions. It's a company together with the subsidiaries, manufacturers, sales and services, specialty electrical transmissions, distribution and on-site power generation equipment in the United States, Canada, internationally. Market cap is quite low. It doubles itself within a trading day, 28 million. Financial health, 6 out of 6 they became profitable this year. On the risk side, there's a high level of non-cash earnings, volatile share price, because we see that there's if we open the Finviz, it had the peaks back in the actually January and January 25, highest point $11. Once again, it gets the pump. It's pretty good, but there's still the price is highly volatile 1 year. So from those heights, it decreases 66%. Those who invested there, yeah, even there's even lower point. But anyway, this going to the moon once again, and it's pretty risky to invest at that level. It could be, we see here the highest point 7.77. The resistance will be somewhere around $8. The support, you see here the bottom line $3 per share. And there's a competitors, Ethan, Powell Industries. This one is the Ethan, 68 billion, so quite big market cap. Also the Powell Industries, more than 10 times of the company. So there's a big competitors. Anyway, the price history and performance, we see a lot of client updates, special dividends, earning updates, and this is all leading to the shareholder returns. 1 year return 24%. It not outbids the US electrical industry that they're working in, because it's 50% returned, and the US market returned 31%. But that is meaning that the price volatility is low. And about the company, 2008 founded, employees 94. There's a CEO and fundamental summary. So this is actually, I like this kind of companies when the revenue is $80 million, market cap 10 million more. So it has pretty huge of potential. Earnings 260,000. They are profitable with high revenue if we compare to the market cap. PE ratio still, if we take earnings, 109 x's. So it's pretty high still, but I guess it has the potential to grow. And unfortunately, the simple Wall Street, neither the tip ranks does not have any price targets. We find it on the market watch 7.50. That is meaning that even though it's almost doubled itself within a trading day, it still has the upside. But of course, it's too risky once it hits already how many months is there? 9-month high. Anyway, the future growth for the company, it's not forecast. It's forecasted for the industry that they're working in, 18% past performance. So we see here the dynamics. A few years back, they had huge revenue. They were profitable with not so high profit margin, 2.2. Then suddenly, back in 2018, it's decreased significantly. So from over 100 million annually revenue decreased to somewhere around 16, 18, 22 million, and they had a lot of volatility on the earnings side. Company has high level of non-cash or earnings and reported profits that are not baked by cash, which the company receives. And financial health side, this is important. They reduce the debt, they raise some capital, they have cash. By the way, this is one of the things that is pretty good, the company is debt free. The cash level that they have 5 million, equity 12 million. It's pretty good starting point to renew any kind of movements here. This is I like this company when there's a debt free, they have cash, they have equity, pretty nice. That for balance sheet looks green. They are not paying dividends, and insider transactions is more important. Yeah, not a significant of amount, but anyway, president of the company brought over 20,000. Max price were 350, 420. Ownership breakdown, mostly held by private companies, 52%. General public, 40. Institutions, 5. Insiders, 1.7. Yeah, as usually we see Vanguard here increasing significantly of investments, 242%. BlackRock is also here, 9.75. There's the president of a company decreasing as well, and T. Rowe Price Group decreased. Some other investment funds decreasing, but anyway, there's on both sides. As I said, this stock looking pretty volatile, and in a same plus safe dividends shows that about the shares outstanding. By the way, it's the same 4 years in a row. They managed to increase from back in 2011, 5.95 to 8.7, where it's nowadays going on. Total sales, as I already said, that it decreased back in 2018 from 100 million to the 20 million, and it's, by the way, decreasing slightly every year. So back on fundamentals, this is looking risky to invest in. And if we open the max frame, this is all time 11,650. If we open 5-year return, 15%. So yeah, that's the stock market. If you invested, for example, here 8.95, you should wait pretty long period of time, like 3 years. You're down in 89%, then it's increasing. Yeah, only here you could break the even. 4 years, by the way, 27th of January 2017, 22nd of January 2021. And yeah, anyway, those who invested here are profiting almost 800, so 8x's. That's pretty nice for those. And investing.com summary of the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. Let's have a look at the comments. A monster run today. US wind solar contribute 38% of energy in 2020. US significant behind. I think PPSI can contribute the change in 2021 in future for non-carbon energy. Do you know why? No, I hope they will come with the good news. Look more like a pump right now after hours. Yeah, so whenever there is no news at all about the company, it's usually pump and dump. So be careful of the short squeezing, anything like that. If you are hearing about the stock that hugely made the returns, it's usually too late to join in. So be careful. Try to not invest in this kind of pump and dump. So don't make anything stupid. Anyone consider the long-term holdings? Bro at 7 plus, debating long-term hold. Yes, I have 4,000 shares. I'm holding them for a good time. This will be worth $9 again, 2021. Bring big profits on the side. Lol, same here. Back holder since $7. And big volume is a good sign. This was in December last year, by the way. So this we're pretty on hold for the whole year. Big order incoming other than a short spike. How is the company potential? I jumped in because I expect another spike on Monday, but I don't know anything. The stock prices seems to be quite jumpy, which is not a good sign. Yeah, big dip the rip easily. So was that on December 4th last year? December 4th? Yeah, here they were talking about here. I guess this jump were made within few days, 2 days, 67%. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video or dislike the video, and see you in the future one.